Hi little kids! Today we are going to learn the phonic sounds of the letters. What is phonic sounds of the letters? Let me tell you. We have 26 letters in the alphabet like A, B, C, D. So from A to Z we have 26 letters, but in 26 letters we have total 44 sounds which the letters make. Each letter makes a different sound. So that sound is called as phonic sounds. Why do you need to learn phonic sounds? Because that helps us to read and also write. So using phonic sounds we can read the words, sentence, even the stories. The same way we can also write. Today we are going to learn the phonic sounds of the letters. So we have 26 letters, but I will be making a part by part so that you will learn the phonic sounds of the letters slowly, because I can't teach you from A to Z, which will be very difficult and even confusing for you. So I will be going with some letters so that you will be focusing on that and we will learn the phonic sounds easily. So let's start it. A says apple. B says ball. C says cat. D says doll. E says elephant. We will revise the phonic sounds which we have learned today. So A says a. B says b. C says k. D says d. E says a. So we learned from A to E today. So using these phonic sounds we can start reading the words, sentence, even the stories. So I will teach you more phonic sounds of the letters in the coming video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.